Here is how to use the innovative features of InnoCase. The first feature is the NFC lock. There are two ways to access this lock. The first method is by using a fob. Press the lock button once and place the fob near the top of the NFC lock to unlock it. To lock it again, place the zippers in position and press the lock button once more. The second method is by using the NFC function on a smartphone. Repeat the same steps and place the smartphone near the top of the NFC lock. The second feature is the weight scale. Simply press the on button and lift up the handle provided. The weight of the luggage will be displayed on an indicator at the end of the luggage handle. The third feature is the NFC tag. Place your smartphone close to the tag or scan the QR code provided. The owner's information will be displayed on the smartphone. The fourth feature is GPS tracking. The owner can use an app to track the current location of their luggage, and the app will show the direction of where the luggage is located. This luggage also comes with a smart alarm system. To activate, just press a button on the remote. There are 4 buttons. First button, lock, activates the alarm. If the luggage is touched or moved, it will ring. Second button, stop, used to stop the alarm sound. Third button, instant alarm. Just press to make it ring immediately. Fourth button, bell mode. Triggers a bell-like sound when touched. As for the luggage material, we use polypropylene, which is more durable, heat-resistant, and lighter compared to other materials.